Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll guide you through setting up the add-on cart widget, a simple and powerful feature that lets you suggest additional products to your customers directly in the cart drawer. It's a great way to increase average order value, improve the shopping experience, and encourage customers to complete their purchase. Accessing the widget. To access the add-on cart widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Order Summary, Add-on Cart. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Enterprise Widgets. Once enabled, go to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Order Summary, Add-on Cart. Here you can customize all settings. Block name. Internal name for the widget. Avoid changing it to prevent display issues. Product. Select the product you want to suggest as an add-on in the cart. Title. Add a custom title for the suggested product. Description. Write a short, persuasive message encouraging customers to add the item. Image. Select a product image that will appear alongside the add-on suggestion. Show product in cart items. Rather to show items to cart item list after added to cart. Show price. Turn on to show the price of the suggested product. Show description. Enable to display your custom description below the add-on product. And that's it! Your add-on cart widget is now ready. Customers can easily see suggested products, making their shopping experience smoother and helping you boost sales. Thanks for watching and happy customizing with your Debutify theme.